To attack a combined inequality or a joined inequality, notice there's two inequalities in this. And what we do is we have to write the two separate inequalities that this implies. So it says negative 15 is less than 2y minus 9. And then I'm going to switch colors to say repeat the middle part and include the less than 7. So, and at the same time, 2y minus 9 is less than 7. So that 2n minus 9, this part in here, it gets repeated. We have to use it twice because it's both less than 7 and greater than negative 15. Now we just solve those, keeping in mind if you ever divide by a negative, flip the inequality. So since I'm getting the y alone, I'm going to move the 9. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I like to do my steps synchronous. And then lastly, I'm going to divide by 2 on both problems. So I do the same process, but I get different results. I divide it by a positive, and therefore I don't have to flip my inequality. So let's take a look at this. You need to look at it graphically. So y is greater than negative 3. In fact, I'm going to rotate that so you can see. At negative 3, the inequality here points to the right, so my arrow is going to point to the right as well. Open circle, that's everybody that's bigger than negative 3. And then 8, I got to be less than him, so this is everybody less than 8. I want those that satisfy both of these conditions. So here's everybody greater than 3. Here's everybody less than 8. The ones that share both those qualities are right in the middle. These numbers, like the number, some number between negative 3 and 8, like the number 0. 0 is between those two. 0 is both bigger than negative 3 and at the same time less than 8. It's trapped in between them. And so any number in here would work as a solution. And so that's what we write. We say x is, using a pen here, it's less than the 8, but it's greater than negative 3. That's our inequality notation. If you need interval, it goes from negative 3 to 8, but we use parentheses for the interval notation because these are open circles. Had those circles been filled in, we would use hard brackets to indicate the interval includes the endpoints. Final answer as an inequality, final answer as an interval.